to talk and feel heard when you always feel like a burden. Don't wanna add to concern, I know they already got. But if I pull back the curtain, then maybe someone who's hurting will be a little more certain they're not the only ones lost. Yeah, I'm constantly trying to find something that my eyes can see. My mind.
Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano accompaniment part for My Mind and Me by Selena Gomez. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty repetitive, it's quite a short song as well, so I'll sing through each section and I've left where you can access the full chords and lyrics linked down below. So this one is in the key of A major, so on the screen now all the notes of the scale of A major. The notes are based around those keys and we have 3 sharps. Here is middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. So on the screen my left hand will be blue and my right hand will be orange as usual. So we'll start with the intro, which makes up the verses as well. So we have this interesting descending chromatically like piano riff. So the notes of that are on the screen there. So we have A, and then C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, G natural, C sharp, F sharp, and then C sharp, D, C sharp. I'll do that again. So you just do this once for the intro. And then for the first verse, you do that riff 2 more times. Wanna hear a part of my story, I try to hide in the glory and sweep it under the table so you would never know. Sometimes I feel like an accident, people look when they're passing. I never check on the passenger, they just want the free show. And then it's into the pre-chorus. So we're gonna come down and play D major. We'll play it in root position. So in the right hand it's D, F sharp and A. In the left hand you can just play a D if you want to, or you can beef it out a bit and play an A with that as well. Yeah, I'm constantly. And then we're going to turn that D into a D minor, and all we're going to do is change the F sharp into an F natural. Trying to find something that my eyes can see. So if I join all of that then from the beginning. Wanna hear a part of my story, I try to hide in the glory and sweep it under the table so you would never know. Sometimes I feel like an accident, people look when they're passing and never check on the passenger, they just want the free show. Trying to find something that my eyes can see. Then there's like a little pause. And then we're into the chorus. So again, I'm going to generally just always play in fifths in my left hand. So the first chord of the chorus is A major. So we have these two different chord progressions. So we have A major, so A and E in the left hand, then A, C sharp, and E in the right hand, 2 beats, and then we're going to come down and play E major in root position, so just moving that shape down, so it's E and B in the left hand, then E, G sharp and B in the right hand, and then we're going to come up and play F sharp minor, root position as well, so F sharp, C sharp in the left hand, then F sharp, A, C sharp in the right hand. And then we're going to play D major here. So all you're going to do from F sharp minor is turn the C sharp into a D, and then the left hand comes down to D and A. So it's first inversion of D major. So let's do that again. Repeat that again. then, so that's like the first chord progression that's played twice, and then we have this other one, so there's no new chords. So the chord progression's on the screen, so it's E major for 2 beats, F sharp minor for 2 beats, and then D major for 4 beats, 2, 3, 4, back to E major, 1, 2, F sharp minor, 1, 2, then D major for 2, and then we turn the F sharp into an F, then we get D minor. So if I just play and sing the whole chorus through then, and then at the very end of the chorus, you could call it the post-chorus, we have the riff again. So after you've played the D minor, my mind and me, we have the riff in the right hand, and I'm just going to hold A and E down in the left hand there. And then it'll be into the second verse. My mind and me, we don't get along sometimes, and it gets hard to breathe. But I wanna change my life, and all of the crashing and burning and breaking, I know now. If somebody sees me like this and they won't feel alone now, my mind and me. So for the second verse, basically every time we start the riff, you're gonna hold that chord down like we just did in the left hand. So you're gonna do that twice.
It's hard to talk and feel heard when you always feel like a burden. Don't wanna add to concern, I know they already got. But if I pull back the curtain, then maybe someone who's hurting will be a little more certain they're not the only ones lost. Yeah, I'm constantly trying to find something that my eyes can see. My mind and me, we don't get along sometimes, and it gets hard to breathe. But I don't wanna change my life, and all of the crashing and burning and breaking, I know now. If somebody sees me like this and they won't feel alone now, my mind and me.
So the pre-chorus was the same, the second chorus is the same. So then the bridge, you just play the A major, E major, F sharp minor, D major 4 times, and then it ends on this riff, how we started it. So if I just demonstrate the bridge.
My mind and me. My mind and me. My mind and me. Oh, it's only my mind and me. My mind and me.
So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.